you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me.
Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sonay. Hope everyone is having a good evening. Y'all. Guess what? I just got home. And so, as y'all know, my sister, my niece is visiting me. My great niece is visiting me. And so when I got home, my sister said, "You got a box in there." I said, "A box?" I said, "I haven't ordered anything." And she said, "Well, you got a box in there." And said, "FedEx said you got another one too coming." I said, "What?" And so here it is. This is the box. So let's see what's in the box. So let me see if I can peel the sticker because I don't want nobody address showing. So yes, I'm taking the sticker. There it is. So now I can't see no address on it. Let me look on the side. Yeah, I have to turn it on the other side. Maybe I'll turn on this side. What? Okay, now. So you won't see my address either. So yeah. Open it up. And like I said, this is a surprise because ain't nobody, they didn't tell me that they were sending me anything. So this is just, that's why I am so excited to see what's in the box. So yeah, okay, we got it open. So yeah, let me move back into the camera so we can see. So yeah, so now I'm gonna open it up, y'all. Let's see what's inside. Oh, here it is. It's a bag, y'all. So let's see. It's a good bag. Okay. Looks like it says JCPenney on it, y'all. So yeah, let's see. Oh, they sent me a card. Oh, here goes a card with my name on it. Oh. Let's see. I'm gonna see what the card says. It says on the front, it says, "Keep on doing you." Oh. Oh, this is from everybody. This is from my sister, my two nieces, which is her daughter, and my nephew, which is her grandson. Yes, they sent me this. And they said, "You keep doing you." And inside it says, "Because your choices are truly paying off. Congratulations on your YouTube channel." Oh, they're so sweet. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this blanket. Oh, I gotta put the bag down for a minute. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Beige and gold. Look at that. That is so pretty. And it's Juicy Couture. That is so pretty. I love that. Oh my goodness. I love that. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Juicy Couture. It came from Ross. It was $12.99. Look at that. That is so pretty though. It's beige and gold. I love that. I can change out my pink and gold over there and put this beige and gold over there. Yes, I love this. This is, oh my goodness, look at that. Look how plush it is. Oh my goodness, I love this throw. And then it has the JC down at the bottom. I love this to death. Love it. Yes. All right, we're going to move on to the next item. Next thing. Oh, look at this pink hat. It says Juicy on it. Oh, look at that. It says Juicy. You already know I'm going to put it on. You all right? Okay. Got the little hat thing inside. Let me see. Okay, know what I'm talking about. Yes. Love this. Love it. I cannot wait. Only thing it needs need a little adjusting to loosen it up a little bit. But other than that, yes, I love this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Yes. I love it. Hey. Oh yeah, this is so cute. I can't wait to wear. I have a pink shirt like this. I can't wait to wear it with my shirt. This is so cute. All right, moving right along. The next thing. Oh my goodness. A jumpsuit, y'all. Look at this. It's pink and it's juicy. A jumpsuit. You hear me? Look at that. I love it. It has the gathers right here. Look at that. It comes all. Look at that. Oh, I love this. And it got, look, they know I love the hoods. And it's got a hood on it. I can't wait to put this on. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yes. I can't wait to wear this. Oh my goodness. And you know, now it seems like every day the weather has been warmer instead of cold. Yeah. I cannot wait. Yes. This is so, oh my goodness. It has pockets. Yes. Oh yeah. I love this right here. This is so pretty. And oh my goodness, pink too. I cannot wait to wear that. Oh my goodness. All right. Next. Oh, they got me some pouches that says mama. Look at that. A black one with the dots on it. Another black one with a dot on it. And then the peachy looking one. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Some juicy, some juicy hair, what is it? What you call them thing? They're not bows, but they're, I can't even think of the name of them. That is crazy. Anyway, you see what they are anyway. So, you know, they open up. Yeah, but they are so cute. Look at that. They are so pretty. I love that. They are so cute. All right, next. Oh, look at this. This little crossbody bag. This green crossbody juicy bag. This is so cute. Yeah, that's how it looks in the inside. Got the card case. Where you put your cards in right back here. Yeah, the slip pockets. And then you can just put some on the back and something inside here. And then it has some in the front too. On this side for your cards. So they have cards in the front and then cards in the back. Yes. This is so cute. I like this green. I don't have anything this color green. And this is so cute. And it zips around. It's just like having a wallet on a strap. Yeah. Look at that. That's so cute. I love that. All right. Uh-oh, look at that. Look at this cute right here. It's the pencil case to my Rowan. Because I got the Rowan right over there. Yeah, this is so cute. I love this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know what? This has been such a good surprise. And yeah, I am so excited about everything. I love everything that they sent me. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. It is so cute, everything. I love it. Let me make sure that's it. And that's it. All right, y'all. Well, I am glad y'all was here to share my, me opening up this box. And yeah, I'm just, like I said, just excited about seeing everything. I'm always excited about opening a box, okay? Especially a box that I didn't even know I was getting. So yeah, shout out to my sister, my niece, my nephew. Y'all did y'all thing. You know what I'm saying? I am so, you can tell by my face, I am so happy to receive these goodies you sent. So thank you. Thank you very much. I love y'all. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit my notification bell so you know when I post another video. Okay? Well, everybody have a good night. Until next time. Bye.